Hello! In today's video, we will highlight impact ranges of the Bosch Professional 18V heavy-duty range. Depending on the different applications, Bosch offers low, mid and high torque impact ranges, and we will highlight these tools. It's important to mention that Bosch always communicates tightening torque instead of the loosening torque. Loosening torque is always a higher value by 50 to 60%. For example, the GDS 18V 1050H has 1050 Nm tightening torque with 1700 Nm loosening torque. When we talk about impact ranges, there are three different types based on the bit holder. GDR comes with quarter-inch internal hexagonal. GDS is equipped with either half-inch square or 3/4 inch square bit holder. The first member of the Bosch Professional heavy-duty impact range is the brushless GDR or GDX 18V-200. As the name suggests, the tightening torque is 200 Nm. The tool functions as both impact driver and impact wrench due to the combined half-inch square and quarter-inch internal hexagonal accessory holder. For example, you can use it to self-drill screws for pipes and fix anchors for concrete without need of any adapter. Or a carpenter can use it wood screw for decking and leg bolts for wood beams as well. However, it is great choice for fixation of M16 bolt sizes in both wood and metal applications. Within the mid-torque heavy-duty range, the next impact range is the brushless GDS 18V-400. Tightening torque of 400 Nm with half-inch square holder with true hole. This torque is enough to finish both wood and metal fixing applications up to the bolt sizes of M20. Highly appreciated at scaffolders or anyone who works above head. Why? Because of the integrated auto bolt release ABR function. You can choose to turn it on or off. It only works during loosening. The tool automatically stops when the nuts are loosened to prevent falling the nuts off. When the tool detects the stop of the impact, the tool will stop. Besides the mentioned work areas, also a great tool for constructors for concrete screws and anchor bolts. Structure installers, for example, to assemble holding structures for racks or solar panels, but any kind of metal panels. Between the 400 Nm and 1050 Nm range, there is one solution within Bosch Professional heavy-duty range. The GDS 18V-1000 and the GDS 18V-1050H incorporate this range. There are three different modes which can be selected on an HMI within the tool. The first mode is 350 Nm with 800 RPM. The second mode is 700 Nm with 1200 RPM. And the third mode is the 1000 or 1050 Nm with 1750 RPM, depending whether it is the GDS 18V-1000 or the GDS 18V-1050 version. The only difference besides the torque between the two tools is the bit holder. The GDS 18V-1000 has a half-inch square accessory holder, while the GDS 18V-1050 has a 3/4 inch square accessory holder. This impact range is perfect for metal applications with machine screws from M10 to M24, like structural steel constructions, metal assembly, and pipe fitting. Thank you for watching today's episode about the Bosch Professional 18V heavy-duty impact range. If you are interested in more videos from Bosch Professional, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.